When people call the firm after being in a car accident, they're usually in a very heightened state of emotion, whether that's anger or sadness or fear. When they come to me with all that stress, with all that fear, with all that apprehension, I let them know that I know what I'm doing, that I have a lot of experience, and while this is very foreign to them, this is actually right in my wheelhouse, and that I'm going to do everything I can and use all the experience, knowledge, and expertise that I have to help benefit them and get them the money they deserve, to figure out the value of their case, to figure out all the insurance policies available to get them the compensation that they deserve. If you've been injured in an accident or if you've been involved in a car accident, some of the mistakes that you want to avoid are, number one, not reporting it. Because in the state of Florida, if you've been injured in an accident, the law says that you have to report it to the police. And number two, that I would say is a big mistake that people tend to make after a car accident is not taking pictures of the damages of the vehicles. If you don't take any photographs of those damages to the vehicles and the cars get repaired, you can't go back in time and you can't get those pictures anymore. So that evidence is gone forever. So it's vitally important that you take the photographs of the vehicle damages as well as the scene around the incident, because again, once you're gone, they clean up the scene of the incident, the scene of the accident, and all that evidence is gone forever and you've lost it. And that could be a big piece of your case. And another big mistake that people make is not getting medical treatment as soon as possible. You need to document your injuries. That is the only way that we're going to be able to prove that you have damages that require the insurance company to pay you money for your injuries. People tend to make the mistake as well of speaking to an insurance company right after, especially an insurance company that's not their own insurance company. And what I mean to say is the other person's insurance company. They start talking about what happened, when and why, and all of these things without first hiring a lawyer. If you've been injured in a car accident and you're trying to figure out what lawyer to hire, the first thing that you should do is ensure that the lawyer practices in the area of car accidents, that they know what they're doing with respect to car accidents. This is a lawyer that dedicates at least a significant portion of their practice to accident cases, that is willing, ready, and able to take the case as far as it needs to go, even if that includes trial, because insurance companies know which attorneys are willing to do that and which are not, and they're usually more willing to negotiate in good faith and resolve a case fairly with those attorneys that are ready to go to trial. If you've been injured in a car accident and you're worried about hiring an attorney because you think you can't afford one, I would say don't worry about that at all. We don't charge you at all until after the case is over, after we've recovered some money for you, and we charge you a contingency, which is a piece of the total amount of money that we were able to recover on behalf of you in your case.